Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel Learn Now from your learning partner. In this video, we'll be learning how to filter multiple columns in an Excel file using Pandas. To apply multiple filters at once, let's say we want to filter our data to only show rows where the value in the age column is greater than or equal to 18, and the value in the gender column is female. To access our Excel file, simply double-click on it and it will automatically open with Microsoft Office. As you can observe, the file is already open and displays data of age and gender is visible, but no filter is applied. So let's start with Python. To filter both criteria simultaneously, we will execute the following code. Filtered data equal to data age should be greater than and equal to 18 and another filter where gender is equal to female. Save the filtered data to a CSV file using the code .to_CSV and insert the path and index should be false. Print the filtered data using print function. This code creates a new data frame called filtered data that only contains rows where the age column is greater than or equal to 18 and the gender column is female, and it had saved our CSV file to path we had specified. To verify the results, navigate to the file path where the CSV file was saved and open it. Upon inspection, the filtered data will be clearly visible as it only displays values greater than or equal to 18 and gender is equal to female. Another filter we can do is based on text values. Let's say we want to filter our data to only show rows where the city column contains the text New York. That only contains rows where the city column contains the text New York. Save the filtered data to a CSV file using the code as display. Now that the data has been saved to the specified path, it's time to verify the results. To verify the results, navigate to the file path where the CSV file was saved and open it by double-clicking on it, and it will open with Microsoft Office. Upon inspection, the filtered data will be easily visible, showing only the results for the city of New York. By utilizing Pandas, filtering data in Excel is a breeze. With just a few lines of code, you can effortlessly manipulate and analyze your data. Keep an eye out for our next tutorial, which will cover how to add and delete columns in Excel.